Hi guys, my name is Gwen, aka Miss Sahel, and I'm the owner and the founder of Sahel Cosmetics. And today I'm going to answer your questions about Ambunu. So, if you don't know what Ambunu is an herb who grows in Africa, and this herb can be used as a shampoo because it contains saponin, and it can also be used as a conditioner because it's very slippery. So we launched Ambunu in 2020. It has been a huge success since then, and we received a lot of questions. So I'm going to answer first a question from Instagram and then a question from YouTube. Okay, so the first question is, does blending it into a powder affect the quality? No, it doesn't affect the quality. You can use a coffee grinder to make it into a powder if you want. Can it be used as a shampoo, or do you use it before shampoo? So yes, as I said, it contains saponin, which is a cleansing agent, so you can use it as a shampoo. And obviously it's also gonna condition and detangle your hair, so you can use it as a two-in-one. But if you have a really a lot of buildup, you can use a regular shampoo and then use it only as a conditioner. It's up to you. You have to try and see what works the best for you. Is it okay to use Ambunu on relaxed hair? Yes. Actually, when I made the first launch of Ambunu, the girl in the video, she had relaxed hair and it was working perfectly on her hair. Someone is asking how to use it. So to use it, you just mix it with water. Warm water is best. You let it sit on its own for 10 minutes so it can really infuse. Then you just put it on your hair, really relax and brush it off. Can I mix Ambunu with cold water? Yes, you can mix it with cold water, but just let it sit, let it infuse for a longer period of time. How long can you store prepared Ambunu shampoo? So what I recommend is that you do just enough for your wash day. But if you really have a lot of remaining and you don't want to throw it away, I know that some customers are freezing it. I didn't try to freeze it, but you can try and see if it can really be still effective. How can you know it's working on your hair? When you put it on your hair, you're gonna feel it working straight away. You're gonna feel like it's detangling your hair. You're gonna, like, when you used to take care of your hair, you used having a routine, you know what works on your hair. You just need to have a regular routine and see how your hair reacts to different products, and you just feel it when you put your finger on your hair. You just feel it if it's working or not. What's the name of Ambunu in English? The name of Ambunu in English is false sesame. Please show us what the plant looks like. So I already showed it in the previous video. I showed you the dried form of the plant. Can you use Ambunu to make a leave-in conditioner, or does it have to be rinsed out? So here in Chad, when I asked the people who were using Ambunu, they were rinsing it out. But I learned that in Niger, they don't rinse it out. They just brush and remove the excess plant, and then they just remove the excess water, and then they just style their hair like this. So you can use it. Yes, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner. I haven't heard anybody having a problem using it as a leave-in conditioner. In Nigeria, they use it as a leave-in conditioner, so there is no problem. Can this herb use this in an oil infusion? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I don't see any problem with that. Hello, Miss Sahel. Can Ambunu repair straightened hair? What's the name of the music being played? Okay, usually in my videos I often use music from Talal Al-Sata. I'm gonna put his name down below. He's a Sudanese singer. He has a beautiful voice, so I like using him for my videos. So This is probably a video from music from him. Can Ambunu repair, straighten hair? I don't think Ambunu contain enough protein to really repair your hair. If you have damage, you have to use something that contains protein, especially hydrolyzed protein. When you find this in a product, it's good for damaged hair. If you want to get like the bounce of your curls back and you have a lot of damage. But Ambunu is there to wash and condition and moisturize, but it's not there to repair. Someone is asking, can I mix it with black soap? I don't know. Honestly, I think yes, you can mix it with black soap. Do you gonna have the same benefits? I don't know. You have to try and see. How often African women wash their hair? It depends. It depends on which country in Africa, and when you're in Africa, which tribe. It depends. In this tribe, like women from the city usually have different routine than women in the village, and every village is different. Like it depends. Can this be used as a leave-in detangler or a deep conditioner? So as a leave-in, I already said yes. Detangler, yes, it's an amazing detangler. And as a deep conditioner, at the beginning I didn't know because I didn't try it as a deep conditioner. I only tried it as a conditioner and as a shampoo. But my cousin in Nigeria, she tried it overnight as a deep conditioner and she loved it. So you have to try and see. The thing with overnight deep conditioner, you need to be careful of moisture overload. You need to be careful if your hair is not going to be too stretchy and too weak. So for this, you need to try and see. Try it as a deep conditioner. If your hair likes it, perfect. If you feel that your hair is too stretchy, and don't do it. It really depends. Can you use it on relaxed hair? Yes. Can you use it on 4C hair? Yes. I have a customer. Her name is called Matiana. I'm gonna put her channel down below. She has 4C hair, and Ambunu is working really good on her hair, so you can go and watch her channel. She tried Ambunu in many different ways. So yes, Ambunu is really effective on 4C hair. So that's it for this video, guys. So you can find Ambunu on our website, sahelcosmetics.com. There is a lot of review from our customer there, so you can go and watch what our customer are saying about Ambunu. And you can follow us on Instagram if you want any update from us. And if you're from Instagram, you can follow me on YouTube and see what I post on YouTube from time to time. I leave you guys there. Bye bye.